Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars, and today we have a 2000 Hot Wheels in the packaging for you guys, but it's gonna come out real soon. This is the 40's Woodie in pearl orange, and it has the lace wheels, and it's from 2000 Mainline number 193 of 250 for 2000. This is on a newer packaging. This style packaging was adopted in late 2000 and continued on until 2003 when they changed it once again. But this is on the newer packaging. I'll put a picture on screen of what the older packaging used to look like. I bought this for $2 at a collectible store. I think I did quite well on that. I love my 40's Woodies. Here's the back. The toy number is 25415, HotWheels.com, and there's the back of the card. You can see how exciting it used to be. 2000 is the copyright, the same year as the issue. And this particular one, I looked at the base, it's made in China. And it's also flipped the other way, which is kind of weird. And I'll show you some of my other ones, other 40's Woodies while I'm at it. Here's a couple of my other 40's Woodies. 2005 Hot Wheels Classics. And 2003, like a beach-themed one. This is a blue card one, which I haven't opened yet. Probably will once I know more about it. Let's get this one out of the packaging. Let's see what we're dealing with. That wasn't a very clean open, but who cares? Just had to rip that right out. Lace wheels. Nice spinning. Chrome lace wheels. Yeah, they spin independently, I believe. And you can take a closer look at that, and I'll bring you a closer look at the details. There's a nice look at the 2000 40's Woodie Mainline. And there's a look at it. Kind of has a rocking suspension, which I kind of like. And we'll start off in the front. There is the front there with the chrome grille. Cool, and has like this kind of weird pattern on the side, as you can see. And there's the side there. There's the cabin. Nice, like that's what makes it a Woodie. And you can take a look at the inside there. Cool. Lace wheels. Chrome lace wheels. Forgot the chrome on that part of it, but not really noteworthy. It's the back with the spare tire, the other side. It says linked on the top. And all this cabin is plastic. The pearl orange is die cast. You can take a closer look at that. 40's Woodie. Give it a little spin, and the base is metal. Hot Wheels, Mattel Incorporated 1979 with the copyright and made in China. Here's a look at the lace wheels. Thanks to everyone that tuned in and subscribed for more. Love y'all.